Now let's run our first GraphQL query to get a taste of its capability. So open browser in your computer and navigate to the following URL: graphql.org/swapi-graphql, like this. And this is a demo of GraphQL developed by the GraphQL organization. And this GraphQL works on a films database, and using it we can query the database. So let's do just that. In the query page, select all the content and delete it, and instead of it, type the following: all films, and note that you can use here autocomplete. So basically, we want to go to all the films collection, and from it, select the films in it, and for each film, select its title, director, and release date, like this. So basically, we tell GraphQL to select the films in the database, and for each film, show the title, the director, and its release date. Now, click the Run button right here, and here are the results. So we see that GraphQL returned the data exactly as we asked for it. And let's see its flexibility. So now add a new line right after the release date and type here producers, and again run the query. And note that now we see that in addition to the title, director, and release date, we also see the producer of every film. So that was a very short taste of the power and flexibility of GraphQL. And of course, we will learn much more as we will move on with the course.